Hi, everyone. It's great to see you all here. So I'm Salma. I'm from Creativas and an Atlassian Platinum Marketplace partner. And it's our second year here at Celix, and we're really excited to be here again. So today I'm not here just to present. I'm here to show you how Smart Terms is transforming the way we utilize and integrate information within Confluence. So we will be doing that by sharing a use case. Okay, so our use case for today is by meeting our main character, Jane, at first, and then we'll be seeing a peek into her daily life, the daily challenges she faces, and how she overcomes those challenges with Smart Terms for Confluence. Okay, so meet Jane, your friendly tech project guide. She's a Confluence and Jira admin. And let's say, in general, to summarize her job is not as simple as we're making it sound, but to be very general, she organizes projects. So she takes care of tech projects, and she uses Atlassian products to keep her team in sync. So considering her job, the first tool she uses is Jira for task management, tracking progress, and keeping her team in sync. The second one is Confluence, obviously, as the main knowledge base where she and her team documents everything. So let's see a day in the work life of Jane. Morning huddle-ups. We've all been there, sometimes daily, sometimes weekly, to make sure everyone is in sync and everyone is following and being up to date. So updating project roadmaps and meeting deadlines. Let's not forget the constant flow of Jira tickets like you are in survival mode. And last but not least, and this part is very important because it takes a lot of her time when tech talk gets too techy. It makes things hard because she needs to waste time looking for definitions and understanding everything. So the question is here, why should we care? I will tell you why. Because, some of you are in the same position as her, and some of you know someone who is in the same position as her. So being a product manager is not as simple as we're making it sound here, but the idea is indeed to simplify those tasks or that work. So using Confluence and Jira affects 3 levels in her job, and mainly in all of her jobs. So the first one is it affects work, keeping projects organized and streamlined. Team, by making the team or helping the team collaborate better. And communication, making sure everyone is on the same page. So what are the common challenges faced in her daily tasks? The first one is time wasted in back and forth communications for clarifications. The second one is misunderstandings due to technical jargon. And the last one is the challenge of keeping track of projects and communication in a remote setting. So let's see a relatable scenario of a misinterpreted Jira ticket. So Jane receives this ticket. It says, urgent update the CSS ASAP for the Q4 presentation. So what she does is she spends hours tweaking the color schemes and layout, only to find out later that CSS was an interpretation for customer support strategy, and the presentation needed updated stats, not a style makeover. So we need to make Tech Talk easier for everyone to understand. After doing the benchmark, she finally found the match, Smart Terms, obviously. So to make it simple, Smart Terms highlights and explains jargon in Confluence and in Jira. Let's explain more. So Smart Terms provide a centralized glossary of terms, whether created by users or admins. It also gives you instant access to clear definitions. And you can easily spotlight terms within tools like Jira and Confluence. So let's discover some of the main features of Smart Terms. It's an integrated app within Confluence and Jira, as you can see in the screenshots, and it makes teams from different departments can have like a common understanding of the most complex technical words. The main feature that you can spotlight in Smart Terms is the highlight engine. And it basically allows you to have highlighted terms on Confluence pages, and now on Jira tickets as well, whether in the description or in the comments. And the cool thing is that if you want to see a definition, you don't have to go to the app. Just like you can hover on the highlight and you'll see everything. And last but not least is how rich the term can be in Smart Terms. So we provide several options for the term. The first one is an AI option, which allows you to generate definitions with AI. They are persistent, or you can just write the definition on your own. It's up to you. We also allow you to add related vocabulary to the term. For example, synonyms, acronyms, slangs, you decide as well. You can add Confluence labels, just as we use them for the Confluence pages. You can add media to the term, and you can also add, and this one was like released recently, which is related terms. It's like basically you can create predefined relations, like for example, let's say this term is generated by this term, or this term is used by this term. So in the end, you'll have like a map in the term viewer where you can see how those terms are connected and related to each other. Yeah, so that was it. I hope that was clear. I hope that was as helpful as it should be. You can scan the QR code if you want more information about the app, or if you have any other questions, or if you have any questions, you can join us in the booth. Thank you so much for your attention.